easy. You better have a good lawyer, because that is slander, sir.
That's me laughing.
Our perfect day right now.
Oh my God, am I your hero?
Oh, sick!
Fun hurts my lungs.
Wow, I thought I was out of shape.
What the?
Oh, shh. Crap. We're stuck up here. This was a stupid idea. Rudy, are you okay?
Haven't gone this long without my inhaler.
Inhaler?
I'm supposed to use it every 2 hours, or I could die.
What?
But I'm sick of that thing.
Okay, where's your inhaler?
In my backpack.
Where's your backpack?
I made him ditch it.
What?
But don't worry about me. I'm loving every minute of this.
Oh my God. Wait! Security guy, come back! Help!
How are we gonna get down? That tree was our ladder.
I know that tree was our ladder. I put it there.
I think I'm coming around. I think I'm getting better. Nope, getting worse.
Oh boy. CPR. I know how to give CPR.
No, thank you.
Why don't I just try it, and if you hate it, I'll stop.
No.
Yeah, okay, you're right. Just hold on. I have an idea. This is for you, Warren Fitzgerald. And you too, Rudy.
Cool.
Whoa! How many pumps? Let me read the instructions.
Oh, what? You're worried he's gonna breathe too well? Come on!
Fine.
Thank you.
Buddy.
Oh, I hate you. But I love air. So I guess we're stuck together.
Let me get a puff of that.